Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make this intricate duck pond in Heartopia. So we are going to use the brick one and we're going to place it in the middle. Make sure we have this one a different color so we know where we are going to place everything. We are going to use glitches for this video, so we are going to glitch this pond. So let's place it out of bounds. Press the check mark button and drag it and press this a few times. You're just going to do it really quick. Okay, and if that doesn't work, you're just going to do it again. A lot of people did comment, like, what if it doesn't work? It won't work every time on the first try. Then we are going to get this waterfall pond. You'll need 3 of these, and we're going to rotate it 3 times, and then we are going to place it, and then we are going to take it out of bounds, and we're going to glitch it again. Okay, again, that didn't work, so we're going to do it again. Just be patient. Glitching honestly takes time. There we go. We're going to place another waterfall pond here, and we're going to rotate it like until it reaches the stage. Press check mark button, and again we are going to glitch it. This is our last glitch, so don't worry. Okay, let's do that again. I swear, like every time like I'm recording, it takes time to do this. Last but not least, we're going to do this. Sorry, we're going to like place this. And we're going to place it a little bit forwards like so. Then we're going to press complete, confirm creation if you're doing it on Blueprint, but if you're doing it on like the normal build mode, just press complete. Go back to the build mode, and as you can see, it glitched into one intricate design. You can also change the flooring if you'd like to, or just delete it completely. I think I'm just going to use the like grass one I have, like this one and others. Wait, I have to go to build mode. This one, the wildflower bush. Just going to add that. Put one here. Okay, I think, wait, 1, 2, 3. I'll just add more to the side. Actually, let me remove. Well, I'm just going to add more to the side here. But yeah, that is it. You can add a fence. You can add your own decorations to it to your liking. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!